These are the Keis X300 heated insoles. They're designed specifically to slip into the base of your boot, and they're made of a rugged PU foam with a molded heel for increased durability, and they provide beautiful warmth to the sole of your foot using their microcarbon fiber technology. The heated insoles connect directly to the ankles of your Keis trousers. If you don't have the trousers, cables are available to connect them directly to the bike or any other garment, and they provide a nice consistent warmth across the base of your foot that I can only really describe as a luxury. Installation of the insole couldn't be much easier. You may need to trim the edges, and there are guides on the back there to help you do so. Once that's done, just slide it into the bottom of your boot. The job takes a couple of seconds. Done.